What's up, guys? Hope everyone is having a great day. I just wanted to jump on here real quick to try to touch on some of the questions that was asking me throughout the day that I didn't have time to get to. So hopefully, this little video will help you guys out. But one of the questions that was asked to me today was about the difference between swing trading and day trading. Sorry, icy hot, put on my shoulder. Icing it for practice and whatnot. But the question was about swing trading versus day trading kind of thing, and about what stocks they should be looking at and whatnot. More pertaining so to the alerts that are sent out. Guys, the alerts are for day traders. The purpose of the alerts is to allow you to be able to do things throughout the day besides being stuck behind a computer and forced to look at charts, to know when to go into trades and to look at trades and, different things like that. It's the whole purpose of the alerts, so that you don't have to be stuck behind a computer day after day after day trying to, make profit. The alerts are supposed to tell you, hey, look at this stock, see if it's, in a position for you to trade however you trade. And there's no one gonna tell you when to get in, when to get out. There's no rhyme or reason to it. Every single trader is different. You got to understand that. Everyone has their own goals, their own strategy, and everything like that. Trying to follow another trader is just going to get your account blown up. People won't tell you that. I'm going to tell you that. But so pretty much the question was about swing trading and day trading. The alerts are mostly for day trading. You should be getting in, hitting your target, and getting out. Whatever that, should be or is, that's what you should be doing. I don't recommend holding these stocks overnight. Again, they're junk companies. Some of them turn out to be good. Some of them don't. But I don't take that chance. I close my position day in and day out. I'm never holding a stock overnight. I do swing trade, but just not the stocks that we alert. Sometimes I will swing trade them, depending on how they look and whatnot. But just understand that those alerts are for people who are day trading, getting in and getting out of the stock. I'm working on trying to get swing trades alerts in there for you guys. I'm still working with the admins on that. Because I do swing trade, but I don't alert it or anything like that. But a lot of you guys were asking about that because I know it's hard to be inside the, trades like all day and stuff like that. Some of you don't have time, and some of you want to, do it like every other day. And that's what swing trading is for you to be able to, get in, give it a couple of days, let it do its thing, and then get out kind of thing. But yeah, swing trading versus day trading are two different things. You should be actually practicing both, in my opinion, because day trading is looked at as something that's there to produce income. Swing trading is more something that's there to build wealth, in my opinion. That's the way the best way to look at it. Typically what I do, whoever knows me or whatever, I usually take my day trading funds and profits from that and put it into either swing trades, long-term trades, investments, and real estate and things like that. But yeah, day trading is used to produce income, and that's what these alerts are for, to make your job of producing your income much easier. I don't know, some of you said you want to do this full time, some of you doing it for fun, whatever the reason may be. But just understand that's what the alerts are for, and that's what the purpose of them are, is to be able to, find stocks that are moving throughout the day, place your trade accordingly, get in, get out, move on with your life. Don't have time to be sitting behind a computer all day. Today's actually one of the days I didn't actually go out and do anything. But just wanted to make that quick note for you guys there. And that's how I look at it. But the swing trade alerts hopefully will be coming pretty soon for you guys that are in the chat room and group and everything like that. And swing trading and day trading is not to say that one's better than the other. They both have their pros and cons. It's up to you, whatever fits your lifestyle, for you to decide which one's best for you. Right as of right now, the alerts aren't for everybody, because not everyone can day trade or wants to day trade. Some people want to swing trade, but again, I'm working on that to get you guys in there too, so that'll be good. I'm also thinking about doing like crypto alerts, but I don't know. I'm still talking with the admins about that too, but I don't know if that's going to benefit you guys too much. But I don't know. If enough people ask for it, we'll do it. So that's them. But in the meantime, I've just been pretty busy. That's why I haven't been in a chat room much, or been able to do like a lot of video recaps for you guys. Is because tax season's ending up, and you guys know that's something I do as well too. So that's kept me pretty busy, and I'm still working on building the course for you guys. So that's keeping me busy too. And in addition to working on the new alerts for you, and just trying to continuously, keep you guys updated on what's going on throughout the market and things like that. Eventually, I'm trying to get it to the point where when I do trade, that I can, go live so you guys can either, watch or follow along, however you want to do it, to make it easier for you. Because I know a lot of you guys said that would help to, I'm already trading side by side with you. I'm just not fully focused and engaged in the chat room because I'm actually in that stuff. So I don't see how them other guys or gurus do it. I'd be too focused into my trade and watching different things. But eventually I want to get to the point where I can do it live for you guys, and you can, kind of, if you need to talk with me, as I'm doing it and stuff like that, and kind of see what I'm seeing and whatnot eventually. But there's so much other stuff going on. So we'll see how that goes. But that's one of the ultimate goals. Once I get to that point, I'm pretty sure everything is kind of like settled in and where it's going to be at, which is pretty cool. But yeah, today was a good day. Even you guys seemed like BLRX, man, that thing caught me looking earlier today. That thing, it got me for that loss. But then it started to turn around, and I profited on that one. And PRPO, was it? Yeah, that one too. I did pretty good on that one, and then I ended the day as well too with COCP. Those are pretty much my 3 trades. I wasn't trying to push myself today. But yeah, that just kind of goes to show you guys, like, a trade can start out bad, or your day can start out bad, but don't, you got to have a short-term memory when it comes to trading. Don't let one loss or even a major loss be, something that ruins your whole day. Sometimes it might happen. Emotions get in the way. If you need to step away from it, do it. Believe me, I've done it before, especially in the beginning. You get one big bad trade and you're just like, I'm done for the day. Sometimes you got to walk away. It just ain't your day. But other times, don't let one bad trade ruin the rest of the opportunity for you. But also don't force trades, especially when it comes to revenge trading. Just because I got back in BRLX, it wasn't a revenge trade. I actually seen that, hey, I needed to, I have the opportunity here to get into it. And I'll go over that in a little recap video for you guys. That'll be a good little quick lesson for y'all about that. But it wasn't a revenge trade. It's just, I seen the setup come up again. I'm like, yeah, it's time to take that, I can do that. My risk to reward was there. I knew this setup, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to go ahead and execute. And it was like, I didn't put too much of a position in. I said, if I fail again, I fail again. At that point, if I would have been negative, if I would have went negative again, I probably would have called it a day on BLRX. But no, the trade came out how I planned it, and it, executed properly and took my profits. Same thing with the other two. So understand that, guys. Again, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. Your results and the money that you make from this trading and stuff like that, guys, understand it's just going to be a result of you doing things right. Okay. It's not like some kind of magical, button or indicator or anything like that that's out there. Don't let nobody fool you. There's no rhyme or reason to it. You got to have the results of doing the same thing consistently and sticking to your plan over and over. The money will come. Okay. It's just going to be the end result of you doing what you should be doing correctly. That's all it is. So that's pretty much it. And I want to kind of let everybody know, I was talking with the admins about this too, that we'll probably end up pausing the people that are coming into the chat room and the membership. Is kind of getting a little overwhelming for them and stuff like that too. Having to maintain whatever stuff that they're doing. But I think at the end of this month, they'll probably close it. Whoever's in there is in there. Great, until more people, fall off and, unsubscribe, and then we can put more room for more people come in. And you guys that are in there, great. You can stay in there. But yeah, going forward, probably in a few weeks, they'll probably, close the chat room down for a while until, it's more people to be able to come in there and stuff like that. So, but other than that, you still got the Facebook group. Guys can still watch us make profits after we're done. But it's all good, still ask questions and stuff like that. So just wanted to kind of let you guys know about that as well too. But yeah, other than that, just, stay focused, guys. Keep learning. It's a lot of stuff. I know it's a lot of books and information in that learning lounge, but it's all there for you to just review in your time. And I'm really trying to get this. I didn't realize it was so much into kind of making a course, but I'm trying to make this course as basic as I can for you guys so that you can understand as much as you can when actually trading, so that it'll be universal to fit, your style and, maybe help you get out of any rut you might be in when it comes to your trading. It's another reason why I don't do like YouTube video recaps every day. I actually trade. This isn't, being on YouTube and YouTube income is not my job. But that's just, a little bit of things that I'm working on for you guys. If there's any questions that you guys might have, or if there's anything that you want me to recap to, let me know. Even though I'm not in the trade, I can still look at it and just kind of give you my point of view, like, what I'm seeing there and what you might want to, look at or things like that. But yeah, other than that, guys, just wanted to let you know, hopefully y'all had a good day and profited as well. Stay green. Hopefully tomorrow is a good day. Even the market was bloody. I mean, I was watching like CNBC and, all them guys, Market Watch, watching them getting drilled with them, blue chip stocks and the market being down. Man, they was hurting. That's all they kept talking about all day while, because I usually got that going up as well too on, one of my screens. When I'm at home and not out and about trading, I'm usually, seeing what they're saying about the market, stuff like that. But they were getting hammered. Tech stocks, NASDAQ was getting beat down. I think the Dow was the only thing that did pretty decent today, but everything else was getting beat down, S&P and all that stuff. Meanwhile, we're all over here making bank on BLRX, CCOP, and PRPO and all those other alerts that went off, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so technology sector was definitely getting hammered. My long-term stocks did kind of average. They weren't all green, but of course some of the technology sector was getting hammered anyway. But yeah, so anyways, guys, but that's just kind of a little tidbit. Even when the markets are red, still opportunities to be green. But also too, there's also sometimes where you just need to sit in your hands. Alerts might not go off, or they'll go off every once in a while. Okay, that's great. That's just a day for you not to do anything. Sometimes it might fall in a day that's not convenient for you. It happens. It's the market. So just know that that happens sometimes, and you don't want to force trades. Trust me. If you don't see it, don't force it. It's a quick way to become a bag holder or blow up your account. But yeah, today was a prime example, guys, of how the whole market can be red, but you can still make good trades, and there's still opportunities to, make money there. But yeah, just wanted to touch on that for you guys. Mainly the swing trading versus day trading thing. Again, one's for income building, one's for wealth building, in my opinion. The alerts, day trades, get in, get out. Even if your target is modest, even if you shoot, I don't know whether you're shooting for a $1 or amount or just like a percentage amount, whatever it might be, have it, stick to it, move on. Don't fall in love with these stocks. They don't love you. They won't love you. Okay. But yeah, so guys, just kind of stay tuned as things are progressing in the chat room. I'll keep posting. Oh, there was a good video in there that I put as well too in the video library that was an interesting perspective on an issue a lot of you guys are having when it comes to your trading, either getting out too early or staying in too long. And reason why he kind of talked about how, when you are trading, it's kind of like a journey, and it's going to come obstacles. That's why you shouldn't get so caught up on the price action, and you won't get caught up on price action if you have a plan and you stick to it. You're not going to worry about the stock going up and going down 1 minute to the next, because you're waiting for your plan to come out, whether it be your exit profit plan or your exit, stop loss plan, whatever it is, you're just waiting for it to hit there. But his perspective on trading, entering, exit, and how to scale and stuff like that is pretty interesting. So, I mean, I didn't fully agree with it if you've seen the notes in the learning library, but it was pretty good. But again, everybody's trades different. That's just how it is. So take a look at that video. It's kind of lengthy, but it's because of his analogies and stuff that he goes over, which is pretty kind of sort of funny. But yeah, it's a pretty good video. I'll work on this recap video for you guys. Post a watch list here in a couple of hours. The market after hours should be done pretty soon here, probably within like an hour or so. Not much movement from anything else, but I'll have the watch list up pretty soon, and we'll look forward to tomorrow. All right, stay green.